To deliver high-quality, engaging playback experience to a large audience, VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management System offers a variety of features for evidence playback. The playback page is divided into distinct sections, that is, the player, information bar, transcription pane, feedback bar, notes section, etc. In this video, we will be taking a look at the evidence playback page in VIDIZMO DEMS. Click on any evidence file, on the portal's homepage, or in the evidence library, and you'll be redirected to the evidence's playback page. The evidence can only be viewed after reason is provided in case you have configured reason provisioning on accessing evidence in VIDIZMO DEMS. The playback page is divided into multiple sections, like player, transcription pane, feedback bar, information bar, and comments section. The VIDIZMO player allows you to bookmark evidence playback page, enable or disable captions, and select video resolution from the given renditions. You can speed evidence playback up or down by using different speeds. You can also resume viewing evidence from the last watched portion and watch it in full screen or theater mode. The information bar is divided into 3 sections: basic information, tags, and comments. Basic information provides details like author, type, folder, last updated, description, etc. Whereas tags options show the tags assigned to the evidence. The comments section is the discussion pane, where you can discuss the case and evidence. You can increase viewer collaboration within the portal by allowing users to comment on the evidence. Users can also leave timestamps within a comment to direct other viewers to a specific point in the video. The transcription pane at the right-hand side of the player allows you to view closed captions. You can adjust the transcript's font size, edit and download the transcript, change its language, and you can also search for a spoken word or phrase within the transcript or navigate to a specific time by using the timed comments. You can also view AI-generated video insights that enable you to view, analyze, and search hidden data within the evidence's audio and video content, such as faces, labels, topics, keywords, and sentiments. Viewers can engage and provide feedback on evidence uploaded on the portal. You can add evidence to your favorites, download it, refer it to others via email, or clip the unwanted portion of the evidence. You can also share evidence with specific users and groups within the portal and can choose to give them limited access to the evidence by selecting a time when you want evidence to be available, and you can also limit the views per viewer. You can also create an archive by marking evidence as favorite to help you analyze and manage the evidence directly from the evidence repository. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.